Autofanatic. Well, we're finally getting some snow in New York. Just want to show you guys how I take snow off my car. Do not use a broom or a brush. Please don't do that. See this right here? This is just an old school window squeegee. And it works like a charm. It's got a nice soft rubber blade. And this is how I do it. No fancy tools. Like that. And you're done. So I got to take this car out now. But this is the best way that I found of clearing snow off your car, and the safest way. You could also use a silicone water squeegee. California Car Cover sells those. But you can't beat just a regular old school window squeegee. And these are hard to find locally, especially around where I live. But I'll put a link to this in the description of this video. Just wanted to share you a quick tip. See you guys later. And stay tuned to the channel for more automotive content as I continue to freeze in New York. But winter's almost over, guys. And once winter's over, we're going to have a lot more car content coming for you guys. So stay tuned to the channel. Please like, subscribe, and share. And remember, pick one of these things up. Super easy to get the snow off your car. Do not use a brush or a scraper. See you guys later. Now, for getting over the roof or on an SUV, you can unscrew the handle and screw on a broomstick.